Joint pain in medical terms is called arthralgia. It can be caused by a wide range of reasons, such as bad posture, nutritional deficiency in diet, overuse or misuse of joints, like in the case of athletes, footballers, and tennis ball players, a broken bone, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and neurological problems. To estimate how common the disease is, about 1 in every 4 people in the USA is reported with joint pain conditions, like arthritis and gout, which is the leading cause of disability among adults. Some people complain of a throbbing, burning, or grating sensation. In addition, the joint may feel stiff in the morning but loosen up with movement and activity. In this video, we are going to discuss the 6 best foods to include in your diet if you are suffering from joint pain, and also the science behind it. The first food on our list is oily fish. Fish oil contains 2 important omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which benefits your body by reducing the inflammation of joints. EPA and DHA also restrict the production of certain negative proteins that help in preventing certain types of arthritis. Fish oil also reduces the intensity of joint pain symptoms like morning stiffness, swelling, tenderness, and discomfort. Regular fish consumption improves blood flow throughout the body during exercise, which can reduce swelling and joint pain. Healthy fats in fish keeps joints healthy by restoring and supplementing joint tissue and providing lubrication that reduces joint friction. It is recommended that each person should consume 2 to 4 servings weekly of fish, like sardines and salmon. You can also consume fish oil supplements available in the market. Number 2 food we have is dark, leafy green vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and other cruciferous vegetables can protect against joint pain and arthritis. These vegetables contain a natural compound, sulforaphane, which blocks the inflammatory process and slows cartilage damage in osteoarthritis. Eating cruciferous vegetables could prevent the development of rheumatoid arthritis in the first place. Green leafy vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprout, spinach, and Swiss chard contain vitamins like A, C, and K, which protect cells against free radical damage. These foods are also high in bone-preserving calcium. Number 3. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange juice, and bell pepper are loaded with vitamin C, which protects against the development and progression of rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis for various reasons. Firstly, vitamin C acts as a cofactor in collagen synthesis. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body and is present in your muscle connective tissue, tendons, and ligaments. You can say that collagen helps in holding your body together. Secondly, vitamin C helps fight against infection and control the inflammation caused by infection, which can trigger arthritis flares. Number 4. Garlic and onion. Garlic and onions are loaded with flavonoids that mop up free radicals and fight inflammation in rheumatic conditions. Garlic contains a compound called diallyl disulfide that limits the effects of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which reduce joint inflammation and help prevent cartilage damage from arthritis. Onions are a rich source of quercetin, an important antioxidant that reduces the level of inflammation, causing chemicals like histamines, prostaglandins, and leukotrienes in the body. The number 5 food on our list is walnuts and Brazil nuts. Walnuts are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and are the best natural alternative for vegetarians to reduce joint pain disease. Walnuts also reduce blood cholesterol, relax blood vessels to lessen the strain on the heart, and control blood pressure. Brazil nuts are loaded with selenium, an important micronutrient for controlling the level of free radicals in the body. In osteoarthritis, free radicals cause oxidative damage to the joint tissues and cartilage. Selenium also improves the quality of cartilage proteins present in our joints and bones. Other important benefits of selenium include boosting the immune system, increasing insulin sensitivity, and managing cholesterol in the bloodstream. Number 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in glucosamine, which helps repair joint pain. As you get older, the level of this compound begins to drop and leads to the gradual breakdown to the joint. So, glucosamine in bone broth stimulates the growth of new collagen for healthy joints. People with rheumatoid arthritis, chronic back pain, and sports injury use glucosamine sulfate supplements. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Do you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button.